Hi, my friends. I hope you're having a great morning. We're going to warm up our day by practicing missing addends. It's an Easter printable Mrs. Masco gave you if you have a printer. If not, maybe someone can load it and write it on a whiteboard or a piece of paper for you to try first. Or you can just follow along with Mrs. Masco. So we're going to do just the first few, and then I will show you the rest of the answers if you need something to check. So I just want to make sure we're not forgetting how to do this. So when we have a missing addend, a missing number, make sure we're not just adding the two numbers you see. Okay, so because addition ends with the biggest number. So how are we going to get there? So you have two ways we've practiced this year doing this. You can start the smaller number and count up, or you can subtract. You can do 15 minus 8. So we'll practice a couple ways for those. Let's do for the first couple, we'll do start the smaller number and count up. So I'm going to start at 8 because that's our smaller number. Start at 8 and count up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So make sure you're using your fingers. It's going to be hard for Mrs. Masco with these videos. So when you count it up, how many did you get? Let's try it again. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Count those fingers, and it is 7. Good job. Let's try another one. Find that smaller. Start the smaller number and count up. So our smaller number is 9. So start at 9 and count up. Make sure you stop at 14. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 5. You're right. Okay, let's do 2 more this way. So find your smaller number. Oh, it's the 5. Start the smaller number and count up. Count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers do you have up? I hope you said 7. Okay, let's try one more this way. Ready? Which is our smaller number? Oh, it's 8. Start the smaller number and count up. Count up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Count those fingers. I thought I heard you tell me it is 7 again. Let's try the next one. So instead of counting up, if you don't like counting up, remember you can always start with that bigger number. We can count backwards to get this. We can subtract. It's a fact family, so we can start at 16 and you can use touch points if you want to count back. Okay, ready? 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Good job. So we can start at this, we can do minus. So start at 11. We're going to count back 6 to get us our answer. So start at 11 and we'll do our touch points to count back. Ready? Go. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's try another one this way. Next row. So we're going to start at 11. We'll count backwards, subtract to get to our answer. So 11, 10, 9. Try one more this way. Ready? So we got a big one. We have 9. We have 9. So to do those touch points, it's going to actually be harder. And I actually think let's start that smaller number and count up because it's going to be way faster. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 3. And then Mrs. Masco is going to hold up and show you the rest of the answers for the sheet. If you chose to write them down, great. If you chose to print them out. If not, as long as you practice with Mrs. Masco at the beginning, you remember how to do missing addends. Good job.